Hello, my dear children. Today we are going to study a new chapter, and the chapter is Factors and Multiples. And you're going to study the topic Multiples of a number. In this module, you will learn the term factors and multiples. What are factors and multiples? And also you will learn to find the multiples of a number. So let's see. What are factors and multiples? Factors and multiples are the terms that are used in multiplication. Factors are the numbers we multiply to get the product. When you multiply two numbers, we get a product, right? So that is called those numbers are called the factors. So factors are the numbers we multiply to get the product. Now what's a multiple? Multiple is the product we get after multiplying the number. Multiple is the product we get after multiplying the number. So let's see the example. 2 times 3 is equal to 6. Here 2 and 3 are the factors. Now how do you find the multiples of a number? To find the multiples of a number, you have to multiply that number by any numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. and so on. So if you multiply that number with any numbers, you can find the multiples. Like for example, if you have to find the multiples of 3, you have to multiply 3 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, etc. So when you multiply 3 with 1, we get 3. 3 times 2, we get 6. 3 times 4, we get 12. 3 times 5, we get 15, and so on. So here 3, 6, 12, 15, 18, 21, etc. are the multiples of 3. Now if you have to find the multiples of 6, what you have to do? You have to multiply 6 with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and so on. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 2 is 12. 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times 4 is 24. 6 times 5 is 30. And so on. So here 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, etc. are the multiples of 6. So this is how you find the multiples of a number. Well, let's conclude. The smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. The smallest multiple of any number is the number itself. For example, if you take the multiple of 2, what is the first multiple of 2? 2, right? What's the first multiple of 6? 6. What's the first multiple of 3? 3. What's the first multiple of 9? 9. So the smallest multiple of a number is the number itself. Now a multiple cannot be less than the number itself. A multiple will never be smaller than the number itself. Multiples are infinite. That means there is no end. There is no end for the multiples. When you multiply with any number, you will get the multiples. That keeps on going. So there is no end for the multiples. Next, a multiple of a number is divisible by the number itself. A multiple of a number, it is divisible by the number itself. That means you can divide the number. For example, 8 is a multiple of 2, right? And so 8 is divisible by 2. We can divide 8 by 2. So a multiple of a number is divisible by the number itself. So my dear children, this is what you have learned about multiples, how to find the multiples and the fact about multiples. Thank you.